2019 Prizm Premier League, first off the line, 3-box break number 3. Teams are on the right. Thanks everybody for the fill. Good luck. Here we go. Let's pull something nasty out of these. I'm still waiting on my hobby cases. I ordered around 10 cases of this and still haven't arrived. So I hope to have them at least 2 by tomorrow. And yeah, and the rest they should arrive this week surely, but I'm not sure exactly when. All right, guys, here we go. We got Riyad Mahrez multi for Manchester City, rest, and Den Docker hyper. I'm thinking about making a 5-case pick your player break, but I'm not sure if we can fill it up, so maybe we have to try it. Fireworks for Watford is Deulofeu, and purple is Christoph Zimmerman to 99 for Norwich. Alright, next up we got, ooh, nice, Aston Villa logo. Aston Villa. That is Mario, right? Or we got the Villa. Aston Villa is Paul. Nice one. Hi, James. Aston Villa for Paul. Nice one. Hyper is Alexis Sanchez for Man United. Alright, next up we got Prizm of Chowdhury for Leicester, sorry, and undeniable Lucas Digne for Everton. Here we go. Nein, die ist nicht nummeriert. Es gibt nur die Prizm parallel und die Blue Shimmer sowie die Gold. Claude Makelele, legendary talents for Chelsea, and hyper is Matthew Ryan for Brighton. Got a red coming, and multi is Lucadia for Brighton, and red is Jack Wilshere for West Ham, number to 149. Alright, we got Prizm, Cabazil for Watford, and red is Pascal Gross for Brighton to 149. Next up, Ori, oh no, is it the blue shimmer? No, it's the regular blue, it looks like, for Man U. Oh, Calvert-Lewin for Everton, and Juan Mata to 199 for Manchester United. Next up is Joao Moutinho and correct eyes, yeah, blue eyes. Joao Moutinho for Wolves, and blue eyes is going out to Shane Duffy and Brighton again. Wow, Brighton killing it. Next up, here's the autograph coming. Let's keep that one. First up is Pereira for Man United, and the autograph behind it, blue shimmer auto, I guess. Here is the blue shimmer base. Is that the blue shimmer base? Yeah, it is. Should be. Alright, this last pack before we move to the blue shimmer. Alright, we got Fireworks Manchester City, Leroy Sané, and Ruben Neves for Wolverhampton to 199. Alright, guys, let's see. Autograph and base. Come on, we need a good one, please. First up, the base. Let's start like on this side here this time. Good luck. Ooh, it is a Brilliance insert, I think. Oh, wow! How about St. James Park for Newcastle. Wow, Gary, you were too late on this and didn't grab him. And now Sergio has them. Wow, 8 out of 8. Oh no, 6 of 8. And that is a nice one, guys. Very nice. Blue Shimmer Newcastle Stadium. Let me grab a mag for that one. That's harder to hit card. That's a nice one. That could be what is it, $200 card maybe? 150, 200. Definitely nice. And Gary will be mad because he didn't get him. All right, Blue Shimmer autograph. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Let's see. Is it upside down? It is. Oops, 1 second. Here we go. All right, good luck. Come on, good one here. It looks blue. Phil Jagielka for Everton. That's the first one actually I've seen of him. Maybe I've missed it, but can't remember that I saw another one of those. Alright, second box. Nice hit in the first box with that stadium shimmer. Here we go. Let's see. Prizm is Balbuena, and Legendary Talents is Patrice Evra Hyper for Manchester United. Alright, we got Emergent Aston Villa Andre Green, and Hyper is Hurricane for Aston Villa. Alright, we got insert for Watford, Undeniable Ben Foster, and a red Watford Gerard Deulofeu to 149. Next up, we got Stiepermann for Norwich Multi, and here's the autograph. Autograph, I guess. Ja, eine pro Box. Base auf 8 und ein Auto. Und here's the next shimmer, guys. Fireworks is Conor Hurricane. Alright, multi is David Brooks for Bournemouth, and blue is Diop for West Ham United to 199. Oh, is that could be a orange or gold? I think it is orange. Dwight McNeil for Burnley, and orange is Masuaku for West Ham again. Nice. 7 out of 25. Stats. Nice one there. Ja, 7 Schimmer in einer Box nehme ich jetzt auch sofort. Das wäre was. Alright, next up, we got Prizm logo Leicester. Wow, not bad. Leicester City logo. No shimmer, but still nice. 2 logos in 2 boxes so far. That's pretty good. Hyper is Alonso for Chelsea. Rest of. I hope to have the first 2 tomorrow. Latest, I think, is Wednesday. I have 10 cases incoming, so I hope I will post probably a 5 case pick your player break Need to figure out the prices first. Alisson for Liverpool multi and Mesut Özil hyper, nice. So I hope that 2 cases break tomorrow because they got stuck in. Oh, nice. Oh, that's a silver Prizm. That's pretty nice. Guendouzi and Ross Barkley, undeniable. So I hope we can break the 2 cases tomorrow, and then I'll post more cases through the week for sure. But I didn't want to post them too early because people would maybe be angry then, or because it's taking too long. Ashley Young for Man U and Lucas Torreira to 199 for Arsenal. Yeah, 199, right? Yeah, for Arsenal. I'm sorry that it's taking really a bit longer than expected, but alright, we got another ice coming. First up, Raul Jimenez, and the ice is West Ham Balbuena to 75. Nice one. So once I receive them, we're gonna have a busy week. That's for sure. I will also. I'm not sure when I get them, but I was able to manage to get some breakaway cases. These are retail only. These are really hard to find. So far, what I heard. I will post a break on that one as well. These are not that expensive because they do not guarantee a autograph. What's this? Where's the logo on that? Oh, it is a logo! We got a blue shimmer logo. I was thinking, where's the Premier League logo? It's nowhere. So it should be a logo, it looks like. Let's do the autograph first. The logos are good ones. Alright, let's see. Autograph first. Let me put that away. Stieperman. Alright, here we go. Good luck, guys. Let's see. It's also upside down. Here we go. Autograph. Come on, good one, please. Wow. That is Theo Walcott for Everton. Wow, Everton killing it. 2 autographs for Everton in 2 boxes so far. And we still have the blue shimmer logo coming. Good luck, guys. Come on, please be good one. One time, big team, please. It's blue. Is it Everton again? Wow. Everton killing it. Everton logo 3 of 8. Who has Everton? Mark. Wow, Mark. Was ist los? Läuft bei dir. Blue shimmer logo of Everton. That's nice. Really nice hit. Congrats. So we got 2 really good blue shimmer base. Wow. Nice. Alright, last box, guys. Wow, can't believe it. Everybody's looking to get players as the blue shimmers, and we're going to pull a logo in the stadium so far. Oop. Throw it away. Crazy, crazy. Come on, last box. Let's see what we get out of the last box. We have John Stones, and blue is Phil Foden for rest of City. Oh no, Man City was gone? Yeah, Frank had Man City to 199, sorry. Dann sollst du auf Paket umsteigen, besser. Zur Sicherheit. Fireworks, Man City, Leroy Sané, and William for Chelsea to 99, purple. Alright, we got multi of Zappacosta for Chelsea, and hyper is Bernardo Silva. Next up, we got Emergent, Phil Foden, and purple Danny Ings for Southampton to 99. Next up, Prizm, Mesut Özil, and Troy Deeney, Scorers Club Hyper, Watford. Alright, next up, we got again Manchester City, Gabriel Jesus, and Hyper is Solomon March. Next up, Prizm of Angus Gunn and Nathan Ake, Fireworks, Prizm. Oh, we got a to 25. First off, Theo Walcott, and to 25 is Crystal Palace, Max Meyer. To 25. 14 of 25. Alright, 4 packs left. Alright, let's see. Ooh, Kaboom on the way! Wow, Aaron Creswell Hyper. We got a Kaboom, guys. That is nice. Wow, still no blue, right? We have Moutinho, and red is Nathan Ake for Bournemouth to 149. So the last 2 packs should have blue shimmers. I hope so. Yeah, here's the autograph. We got DeAndre Yedlin. Here's the blue shimmer auto. So we got a, wow, these 3 boxes were really good. If here, yeah, here's the blue shimmer base. Wow, nice, nice 3 boxes, guys. Really nice boxes. We got Scorers Club Danny Ings and the blue shimmer. All right, let's see what we're gonna start with. Kaboom. Here we go, Kaboom, guys. Good luck. Let's see. Come on, one time a good one, please. It is, wow, Paul Pogba. Manchester United is the boss. That's a nice hit there. Congrats. Let's upload this. 1 second. Paul Pogba from Man United is a nice hit. Definitely one of the better ones. There you go, nice one. So these 3 boxes so far are really nice. Alright, let's start off with the base to 8. Good luck. Let's see. Come on, good one here. One time. Who's it gonna be? Blue, not Everton again. Come on. No, it is David Luiz. Wow, rest of Chelsea. And that is 6 out of 8. David Luiz. Alright, one more autograph to come. Come on, good one, please. Ooh, that could be how are they called? Forgot it. Flashback auto. Prizm. Come on, one time. Let's see, is it upside down here? Or is that a dual auto? Or a logo again? I'm not sure. It could be a dual autograph, guys. I'm not sure. No, it's not. It's not. Good luck. Here we go. It is. Wow. Not that one, guys. Come on, please. Crystal Palace. Joe Ledley. So many great flashback autographs, and we exactly pulled that one. Oh, boy. Joe Ledley for Crystal Palace and Lewis. to end this break. Too bad. I wish we got a nicer flashback auto. All right. So, quick recap, guys. We had orange Max Meyer for Palace, Valbuena Blue Ice to 75, Leicester City logo. We got Masuaku to 25 and Aston Villa logo. Then we had flashback Blue Shimmer Joe Ladley for Palace. We got a Jagielka autograph for Everton and a Theo Walcott autograph for Everton. Paul Pogba Kaboom for Man U. We hit the David Luiz base to 8 for Chelsea and Stadium Newcastle. Very nice, number to 8. And a logo number to 8 of Everton. Very nice. Congrats, guys, who hit. Sorry on all who didn't hit. That's it for the break, guys. Thanks again for joining. Hope to see you next time. I'm out. Peace.